My name is Mohammad Johny. I completed my B.Tech from the University of Technology. I joined Jspiders on July 2025. I have chosen Java full stack course, and my faculties are for Java Shivkumar sir, for programming Shivprasad sir, and for web technology Shashwal sir, and for SQL Dinesh sir. And I got lots of experience from them, how to crack the interviews, how to attend the interviews, how to give my presentations, and I also attended mock sections and presentation sections, which helps me to crack the interviews while giving multiple mock interviews where I can concentrate, where I am lagging on the particular concepts. They help me a lot to concentrate on more where I am lagging. So now I cracked as a software engineering training, and also Apollo Health Axis designation as full stack developer. Thank you.